Hi Crafty Friends, it's Sylvia. How's everyone doing today? So today guys, we have 5 beautiful paintings from DP Clubs. So let us begin. The first one is called Bird and Aviary. And it is a full round and it's beautiful. It's a 30 by 30 centimeters. So let's make sure. Let's see what is the true size. And the true size is 25. So it's going to be 25 by 25. Okay. And it has 20 colors. Oops. 20 beautiful colors. And it's $5.39. So I'm going to bring it up. It's very, very clear. It's got beautiful 4 little birds. This one's flying. And this is the birdhouse. And it's surrounded by beautiful, bright, and all different colors of flowers. And I absolutely love the color of the sky. So let me bring it up so you can see it. So you have, here you see the 3 birdies and the one that's flying. And then one is already in front of the birdhouse. And of course, all the beautiful flowers. All right, so this comes with, these are the colors. And these are those individual bags that I like already. So if you don't have containers, you could just leave them in these bags, or especially if you're traveling. And these are all the beautiful colors. Comes with a tray, wax, and a pen. Okay, let's just see very quickly. Well, I know you guys will probably want to see a little bit of the colors, not all of them. Let's see, because we do have 5 paintings. And by the way, well, I'll tell you in a second. Let me see. So we've got this pretty purple, this pretty blue. It's got lots of really, really pretty colors, guys. See, it's like a minty. Oh wow! Look at this pink. Different kinds of pinks. Okay, let's just leave them in there. And I believe they're in order. Yep, they are in order. Let's see. Over here we have an orange. Okay, so really, really pretty colors. We're gonna leave them in here. You guys know that I finished organizing all my budget friendly paintings with the help of my niece, beautiful niece Olivia. And so this is what I've learned. When they do arrive, immediately write down the number that's there and also the title. It's easier when you're looking for them because I tend to separate these, but I don't know if I'm going to separate them anymore. Yeah, that was a lot of work. Well, anyway, yeah, so $5.39, this beautiful painting. All right, so let's move on to the next one. Put it over here. It's really, really bright colors too, that one. Okay, the next one is called Sewing Machine. Now they offer, I think it's 4 different kinds of sewing machines, but when I saw this one, I just loved it. It's a full round also, just like the other one. And it's very antique-ish. Very, very, so pretty. It's a 30 by 30 centimeters. Okay, so let's see, the true size is probably 25. Usually these are 25 by 25. Yep, 25 by 25. And this has 18 colors. And this one is $5.39. You cannot tell here, but I did see the picture. And this back here, the background is actually a very, very soft pink. By looking at it, you can't really tell. And then these colors here are so pretty, guys. It's like those blues, greens that I love. And then you have flowers. It's just really, really pretty. So I'm going to bring it up and it's very clear. Look how pretty that sewing machine is. I remember taking a sewing class in high school. Yeah, and that was about it. All right, so let's see. These are the ones that I do not like. Not the drills, it's the bags. Because these you have to cut out and you have to put in containers, definitely. But I'm trying to see if maybe, I wonder if this is the color of the background of the painting. I think it has to be this one because there's a lot of these, you see? Actually, in the picture it looks pink, but this looks like a light, light purple. It's really, really pretty, guys. And then you have these blue greens. Let's see. No, that's a gray. This must be for the flowers. Trying to find, here's some green. here's this blues that I like. Sort of like a blue gray. Yeah. Anyway, I don't want to take them all out. But yeah, just really pretty. This is like a soft one. Okay, that one, the first one was very bright, the colors, and this is like a soft look to it, muted colors, sort of. Yeah. And it comes also, like I said, they all come with the pen, tray, and wax. All right, and this is also $5.39. Okay, let's move on to the next one. The second one, guys, is just too cute. It's actually called Cute Little Animal. Now, it's not the cutest little thing. I was trying to figure out what it is, but my husband and I believe it's a baby squirrel, a girl, obviously, because she's got a little bow. She's got all these little pink around her. And look at those big, big eyes, guys. And that little smile. And then she's carrying a nice heart in her little hands. Oh my gosh, I just love this one. And surrounded, of course, like flowers. And I don't know, these look like little hearts. This one is a 30 by 30, but it's probably 25 by 25. Yep, 25 by 25 centimeters. It's got 20 colors. And this one is $5.39 as well. So let me bring her up. She's very clear. Look at that face, guys. Look at those eyes. Yep. And the little bow on her hair. And the little heart. And look at her little hands. And then she's got like a little tail over here. You can't see it, but it's right there. Just very cute. All right, let's move on to the next. Oh, wait, I forgot to show you the colors. Okay, so it comes with the tray, wax, and pen. And these come with the individual bags that I like. So you don't need containers. Let's look at the colors very quickly. This has 20 colors, so it's got 20 bags, and it looks like they are in order. So you got that little pretty pink, probably for her bow, and the flowers. Let's see, we got lots of browns in here. This is really pretty orange. Let's see, what else do we have here? Lots of browns, grays, and white. Okay. All right, let's move on to the next one. These are all great. These are 30 by 30, which is really 25, but they're 30 by 30, including this part around it. So they're great for traveling. Okay, and for gifts. All right, the next one, of course, you guys know that I always have to have a Gorjuss doll. And this one is a 30 by 40. And it is also a full round, and it has 21 beautiful colors. And this one's $5.79. So let's see the true size. This one is 23 centimeters by almost 33 and a half. 32. Oh God, I have to do that again. Sorry. So that's 32, almost 32 and a half. Yeah, that's what I almost said. Okay, not almost said, I said. All right, so as you can see, she is adorable. I just love all the purple around her. And then, of course, her red shoes sort of reminds me of the shoes from The Wizard of Oz. And her socks also remind me of The Wizard of Oz. And then she has this really, really pretty blue dress. And then she's carrying, I'm not sure what she's carrying, but it's got hearts. And then she's got a nice red bow. And I think this is part of the bow, or maybe it's part of her hair, like red highlights. Just really, really adorable, guys. So let me bring her up so you can see it. Very, very clear. See the little hearts that she's carrying, her little dress. And look at those shoes, guys. Yep, and the socks. Love it. All right. I did not show you the colors. Oh my gosh. I am losing it, guys. Okay, so it comes with the tray, wax, and a pen. And look at these colors. Mamma mia. Absolutely gorgeous. And this comes with the bags that I do like. Okay, so let's open this up. So obviously we're going to have lots of purples in this because of the background. So there goes the purple. Some blue. Probably for over here in her dress. It's got a little bit of everything. Grays, blues, beige. Here goes more purples. Green. Huh. So it looks like there's some green, probably around her dress. And more purples. Look at all these shades of purple, guys. Look at this. So if you love purples, this is the one for you. Look at this. All these shades of purple. Pretty, isn't it? It's like purple heaven. All right, so yeah. Okay, so let's move this one aside. And this one's $5.79. And one more. Another adorable one. This one they call Animal. I think it's a panda. I'm not sure, but I think it's a baby panda. What do you guys think? It's just adorable also. And this baby panda, it gets little hands, and then he is holding a little bouquet of flowers, maybe for his mommy. And then he's surrounded by this beautiful blue-green colors, and there's some gray in here, of course, and of course the beautiful flowers. This one is a 30 by 40. It has 21 colors, and this one's $5.79. Okay, let's look at the true size. True size is 23 centimeters by almost 33. Okay, I'm gonna bring it up so you can see those pretty flowers. Look at those eyes, look at that nose. It's just the eyes. The eyes are just, oh, I love it. None of these have ABs, by the way, but that doesn't mean you can't add ABs, right? Look at those eyes. They're like, you could definitely add some ABs there. Like they're shining, you know? And the little bouquet, look at the little hands. Just too cute. And of course, the flowers. All right, so that's all I have for today. So we have Animal, but I call it a panda bear, and it's $5.79. Then we have Gorjuss Doll, and this one's also $5.79. Let's move all this glare out of the way. I apologize, I forgot to take out the glare. And then this one is Cute Little Animal, which I think it's a baby squirrel, and this was $5.39. And then we have Beautiful Sewing Machine for $5.39, and Bird and Aviary, $5.39. And let's see, let's put them here so you can see them all. And that's about it, guys. I hope you've enjoyed them, and I'd like to thank also again DP Clubs, and also thank you guys for watching my videos. Thank you very much. Love you guys. Bye bye.